All right, so in this video, we're going to talk about this question where you need to convert from 5,000 grams to how many milligrams is that? All right, so notice here that there's only a one letter symbol. So that means I'm measuring in grams or weight. All right, so grams is weight or mass, liters is volume, meters is length. Right? So if I only see a one letter symbol for 5,000 grams, and I want to figure out how many milligrams that is, essentially what I'm doing is like, if I were to ask you if I have 5,000 pounds, how many ounces is that? Right? So in this case, because we're using the metric system, it feels a little bit different. Right? So if I'm starting at 5,000, just the letter G, that means I'm always starting at the base. So if I only see one letter for the units, I'm always starting at the base. So I'm starting at grams right here, and I'm trying to find how many milligrams that is. So my prefix is M or milli. Notice that there are two. There's this M here in the middle, and then there's this M at the end. Right? So this M actually stands for meters, not milli, right? Because all of these other ones usually have another letter next to them. And it's easier to tell this way, right? So here is my milli. So I'm going to end here. So how many spaces is that? Well, if I move 1, 2, 3 spaces to the right, I will get to milligrams. So with the number 5,000, I'm going to do the same thing. So 5,000 grams, decimal points is at the end, moving 1, 2, 3 spaces to the right. So 1, 2, 3 spaces to the right. If there's no number here, I'm going to go ahead and add some zeros. And here's my new decimal point. This looks kind of messy right now. So if I were to rewrite everything, that's 1, 2, 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3 zeros. All right, so I will have 5 million milligrams if I have 5,000 grams. Right, so a lot of people wrote 500,000. I'm guessing you either did in your head or you might have just counted the number of wrong spaces, right?